Welcome to Review Rumble. The best saw sharpener is probably one of the most essential tools for any woodworker or outdoor enthusiast who relies on a chainsaw. Keeping your saw sharp not only makes your work easier and more efficient but also ensures your safety. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Timberline Saw Sharpener, exploring its features, benefits, and why it might be the perfect addition to your toolkit. Number 5. Oregon 7PC Universal Chainsaw Sharpening Kit. This portable kit makes it easy to keep your chainsaws and other tools sharp. It's designed to be versatile and easy to use, ensuring your tools are always ready to go. The kit includes various round files, a flat file, a file guide, a handle, and a travel pouch. This comprehensive set has everything you need to sharpen your saw blades effectively. The included file guide helps you set the depth gauge easily. This ensures accurate and consistent sharpening results every time you use it. It comes with a detailed instruction sheet, including a filing chart. This helps you align the right filing tool and technique to your chain. The kit comes in a compact rolled canvas pouch with inner pockets. This makes it perfect for taking from job to job, keeping everything organized and accessible. What we like. This Oregon kit is perfect for on-the-go sharpening. It's compact and includes all the essential files you need. If you're a homeowner or a professional who needs to sharpen chainsaws in the field, this kit is your ideal companion. What people say. The Timberline Sharpener is a great tool for sharpening saw blades. It is easy to use and produces a very sharp edge. The design is well thought out and the tool is very durable. Number 4. Electric Chainsaw Sharpener Kit. This handheld electric chainsaw sharpener kit sharpens chains directly on the bar, eliminating the need for chain removal. It includes 6 titanium-coated diamond bits to fit most standard chainsaw chains. The titanium-coated diamond bits are designed for long-lasting use, offering superior hardness and wear resistance. With proper use, one bit can sharpen multiple chains. Unlike hand filing, this electric sharpener ensures consistent results every time. You can set the angle and sharpen each tooth uniformly, achieving razor-sharp results across the entire chain. Powered electric sharpening saves significant time and effort compared to manual filing. It reduces physical strain, making chain maintenance faster for both homeowners and professionals. A properly sharpened chain cuts efficiently and safely. This reduces the need to force the saw, improving cutting performance and minimizing kickback risk, protecting both the user and the chainsaw. The angle attachment provides bench grinder level accuracy in a portable design. Dual direction angle markings make it easy for both right and left-handed users to maintain precise angles, even for beginners. Upgraded with an improved collet and a honeycomb textured rubber grip, it offers enhanced comfort and control. It comes in a premium gift box with foam protection for safe storage and transport. What we like. This electric sharpener is designed for speed and precision. It sharpens chains directly on the bar, saving you time and effort. If you value efficiency and want razor-sharp results without removing the chain, this is the tool for you. What people say. The Timberline Sharpener is a great product. It is easy to use and produces a very sharp edge. The design is well thought out and the sharpener is very durable. Number 3. Sharp Pebble Electric Chainsaw Sharpener Kit. Introducing the Sharp Pebble Electric Chainsaw Sharpener Kit. This kit comes with everything you need to keep your chainsaw in top condition. It includes the sharpener tool, angle attachment, wrench, and multiple file sizes. This tool is easy to use for both beginners and professionals. The ergonomic design and chain angle guide make it simple to maintain the correct angle while sharpening, regardless of your dominant hand. Unlike hand files, this sharpener ensures each tooth is sharpened equally. You can easily set the grinding angle and achieve a razor-sharp finish every time. This ensures consistent and precise sharpening. With adjustable speed settings, this sharpener provides a clean and precise finish. The high-quality motor ensures stability and accuracy, saving you time and fuel. It also reduces wear and tear on your chainsaw. A dull chain can be dangerous. This sharpener quickly sharpens your chain, reducing pressure on the engine. This will help your tool last longer and ensure safer operation. What we like. The Sharp Pebble Sharpener makes sharpening easy for everyone. It ensures each tooth is sharpened at the same angle, providing a razor-sharp finish. If you're looking for a user-friendly electric sharpener that delivers consistent results, this is a great choice. What people say. The Timberline Sharpener is a great product. It is easy to use and produces a very sharp edge. The design is well thought out and the sharpener is very durable. Number 2. Oregon 120-volt bench grinder chain sharpener, 520 to 120. This professional grinder is perfect for those who need frequent and high-volume chain sharpening. It can be easily mounted on a bench or a wall, making it ideal for any workshop or garage. With this sharpener, you can sharpen your own chainsaw chains. It's a cost-effective solution that saves you both time and money in the long run. The included bolts make mounting it simple. This sharpener is designed to sharpen up to 0.404-inch pitch chains. It's compatible with chains from various manufacturers, including Oregon, Stihl, and Husqvarna, offering great versatility. The grinder features multiple adjustment points for sharpening accuracy. It also includes a built-in light, providing better visibility while you work, ensuring precise results. The package includes the professional grinder, a dressing brick, a profile guide, and operator instructions. You'll also receive 2 grinding wheels, 3.2 mm and 4.7 mm, and a 6.0 mm flat profile disc for depth gauge maintenance. What we like. This Oregon bench grinder is built for professionals. It's designed for frequent, high-volume chain sharpening and can be mounted on a bench or wall. If you're a professional user who needs a reliable and efficient sharpening solution, this is the perfect tool for your workshop. What people say. The Timberline Sharpener is a great product. It works very well and is easy to use. The design is well thought out and the sharpener is very effective. Number 1. Stihl 2-in-1 Easy File Chainsaw Sharpener .325. This is the Stihl 2-in-1 Easy File Chainsaw Sharpener. It is designed to sharpen your chainsaw chain quickly and efficiently. With this tool, you can maintain your chain's cutting performance. The sharpener is compatible with .325 chains. It ensures that your chain is always in top condition. This will help you get the most out of your chainsaw. The package dimensions are 2.9 cms, L, x 8.2 cms, W, x 39.9 cms, H. It is a compact tool that is easy to store and transport. You can take it with you wherever you go. Each package contains 1 sharpener. It is a must-have tool for any chainsaw owner. Get yours today and experience the difference. This product falls under the tools category. It is a high-quality tool designed for durability and performance. It's made in the United States. This product is made in the United States. It is a testament to quality craftsmanship and attention to detail. You can trust its reliability. What we like. This Stihl sharpener offers a simple and effective 2-in-1 design. It's easy to use and ensures precise sharpening for optimal chain performance. If you like a simple and effective tool, this is a great choice. What people say. The Timberline Sharpener is a great tool for sharpening saw blades. The sharpener is easy to use and produces a very sharp edge. The design of the sharpener is well thought out and allows for precise sharpening. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.